Hello guys, in this tutorial we are going to discuss how to create database in PHP MyAdmin through SQL query. To do that you have to write an SQL statement. First you have to write create database, and here I am just giving the name. For example, I want to create database name person, so I am just writing the name person and then just put the semicolon and then press the go. Here you can see that our database has been created, person. So this is the way you have to create database in PHP MyAdmin through SQL query.